Hello all friend. Today I am going to show you how to make the best twin video for all of you. We use the CAPCUT app on our mobile phone easily. To make this video, you need to record 2 separate videos. Keep camera layout intact, and I also have some tips to share with you all to make our video perfect. Let's get started. Click New Project. Select the video you want to edit. Click at Overlay. Please cut your video as you see fit. Add filters same color. Please adjust the brightness of your video. Please adjust the brightness of your video. You will get a great video editing. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.